Okay, so next problem is on model number 1, problems on concurrent forces. Now see the problem what is given. If the resultant is 800 Newton of 4 forces as shown in figure, determine the unknown force F4. This diagram is given. The resultant is 800 Newton, means ultimately here the resultant of 4 force system is given, that is equals to 800 Newton. F1 is given 400 Newton, F2 is given 300 Newton, F3 is given 500 Newton, but we don't know the force F4 and that we have to calculate. Here resultant R is given as 800 Newton. Okay, if you see the angle with respect to x-axis, F1 is making an angle of 45 degree, F2 having 30 degree, F3 of 60 and resultant is making an angle of 50 degree. Okay, now here this question is quite different as compared to other problem that we have solved. So here resultant is given and we have to calculate the unknown force F4. Means actually this system will consist of 4 forces. The fourth force is unknown and we have to find out the fourth force which is unknown, but the condition is the resultant of 4 force system is 800 Newton. Okay, so first of all we'll assume unknown force F4 is in first quadrant. Therefore, if it lies in first quadrant, F4 of x will be positive, F4 of y will be also positive. Means we are assuming the unknown force is in first quadrant, therefore F4 of x, that is the horizontal component of F4 will be positive, vertical component of F4 will be positive. Okay, now as usual we'll start with the summation of f of x. Okay, summation of f of x. So summation of f of x is equals to summation of f of x equals to f1 is 400 Newton making an angle of 45 degrees, so this will be a positive, so this will be a f1 of x, this will be a f1 of y, so this will be positive, this will be a positive, so this will be a 400 cos of 45 positive. Next f2, this is the vertical component of f2, this is the horizontal component of f2, so horizontal component will be negative, so minus 300 into cos of 30. Similarly, this will be a vertical component of f3, this will be a horizontal component of f3, so f3 x component will be negative, minus 500 cos of 60. But there is an unknown force F4 that we don't know and we have assumed that this is in the first quadrant, so we'll consider F4 of x. So we'll consider unknown component plus F4 of x that we have to calculate. Okay, so this is summation of f of x, but the resultant is given as 800 Newton which is making an angle of 50 degrees. So the resultant component, so this will be the vertical component of resultant, this will be a horizontal component of resultant. Okay, so summation of f of x is what? That will be the x component of resultant. So summation of f of x will be nothing but the x component of resultant. Therefore, the summation of f of x will be equals to this will be a positive. Therefore, summation of f of x is equals to 800 into cos of 50. Hence, by solving the above equation, we can see, so this will be a 800 cos of 50 is equals to this value 400 cos of 45 minus 300 cos of 30 minus 500 cos of 60 plus f4 of x. Now solving this above equation we will get the value of f4 of x. So by solving the above equation we can get f4 of x is equals to, and this value comes as 741.2 positive, 741.2 Newton, that is positive value. So f4 of x is equals to 741.2.